DIY week. I hope you guys are enjoying the DIY week, and for today's DIY, I'm actually going to share with you an all-natural DIY nighttime skincare regime. Now I know you guys love skincare regimes, and that's why I decided to make this video, especially for the people who want an all-natural alternative to the store-bought ingredients. This is also great for people who have sensitive skin, but because we're using natural ingredients, I would highly suggest that you do a patch test first before going in and trying this all over your face, but just to ensure that they won't react with your skin, because natural ingredients can also react with different skin types. Although I feel this is a really great regime and it really benefits your skin, as it makes it nice and glowing, and it's really great for everyday usage as well, because it's really cheap as well. So yes, if you want to know how to go from the left to the right with only natural ingredients, then please keep on watching. So obviously the first thing that we're going to do is take off our makeup, and for that we first need to ensure that we don't have any false lashes on. So I'm just going to remove my false lashes on, and I honestly feel naked right now. Like after removing these, I instantly feel I have nothing on. Hide me, protect me. But yes, to make your very own makeup remover, all you need are two simple ingredients which are very effective, easily available and very affordable as well. You just need olive oil as well as rose water. Both of these mixed together make the perfect makeup remover. So you just need a mixing bowl as well, and you just need to mix in equal amounts of this. You can also store this for up to 2 weeks in your fridge, but if you want to make a fresh batch every day, you can do that as well. So I'm just gonna make a fresh batch for me right now. So you're probably going to need for one time of use like half a spoon of olive oil and half a spoon of rose water. So I'm just going to eyeball it because I can. So I'm just using a very small amount. You do not need a lot because your face is just like what, 9 by 9. But if you are making a larger batch, just ensure that you have like half and half quantities of both of these. Once you have both of the ingredients in there, your makeup remover is now ready. This is a biphasic makeup remover. That means that these two ingredients are of different density, so they won't mix together, just like oil and water won't mix together. Rose water is water. So you would need to just like shake it up a bit. It's also good if you can store it in a bottle and then shake it up if you are making a larger batch. And once they have mixed for just that tiny microsecond, take a cotton pad and then just dip it in right there and soak it up really nicely so that all of the makeup remover goes directly into your cotton pad, and it creates like a makeup remover wipe for your own little self, and now you have your own makeup remover wipe. Now all you need to do is then just, normally cleanse off your face like you would do with any makeup remover, and you would start seeing that this is removing all of your makeup, because these two ingredients make up for the best makeup remover. You can use olive oil alone as well, but I wouldn't really recommend using just plain oil because it gets kind of messy just using oil and then going and washing your face. Olive oil and rose water together will ensure that your face is cleansed and you don't have an oily residue on your face as well. So yeah, that's just my personal opinion. If you like using just oil for your makeup removal purpose, you can obviously go ahead and do that as well. Now let's see how well this can remove eye makeup. My face makeup is almost off. I'm just gonna flip over my cotton pad and I'm just gonna keep it on my eye for about 10 seconds or so, moving it around gently, and then I'm just gonna wipe it off. That removed almost all of my makeup. Only my gel liner is sort of left, so I'm just gonna go over it a couple of times because this is a really long lasting gel liner, so I need to work on it a little bit more than rest of my eye makeup. But yes, this makeup remover does a great job in removing your makeup. So I'm just gonna also place it on my other eye, wiggle around for about 10 seconds, and then just swipe it away. And lastly we have the lipstick test, so I'm just gonna keep this on my lips. All of the lipstick is off. You can obviously use different pads if you feel like it. I am fine in using just one pad as well. I really don't mind. But yes, you can definitely go ahead and use different pads if you may feel like. To further just cleanse and tone my face, I'm going to use plain rose water and I'm going to soak my pad in it, and I'm just going to wipe it all over my face. You can go ahead and use a soap, but you really do not need to. But if you are, used to using a soap on your face, you can definitely go ahead and use a face wash after this. This, as I said, will ensure that it takes away any excess makeup left on your skin and oil residue as well, although olive oil won't clog your pores or anything. I know that's the number one question I will get, that won't oil clog your pores, but that doesn't really happen. So once I'm done with wiping away my face will be left fresh, cleansed and toned, and all of the makeup is off. This was the final leftover makeup that there was on my face. Now the last step remaining is to create a nice face serum, and the base of this face serum is going to be aloe vera gel. You can obviously just get your own aloe vera gel out of aloe vera plant, or if you're lazy like me, you can use this store-bought aloe vera gel. Now this is not 100% natural, but I'm lazy like that. So today I'm going to be using the Saundarya aloe vera gel by Patanjali, but you can also use just normal Patanjali aloe vera gel variant. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to be using this today, and I'm going to take a little bit of that on the palm. I'm not going to take it on my fingertips, but on my palm. And I am just taking a little bit amount of that on my palm. Use as much as you feel your skin can absorb throughout the night. And to spice it up a bit more, I'm going to be using orange essential oil. This is by Sante, but you can use any orange essential oil that you have. Now the thing with orange is that they're great for the skin. They have vitamin C. They keep your skin youthful, bouncy and everything. Orange peel face mask is one of the most common face masks found around the world. Orange is great for your skin. This will work on your skin while you're sleeping. It will ensure your skin is all nice and youthful. This will take care of your wrinkles, dullness, anything whatsoever. So this is a great face serum. So you just need to drop in about 2 to 3 drops of this, not more than that, because this is an essential oil. So I'm just gonna mix that essential oil with my aloe vera gel on my palm like so. You can mix it up in a bowl as well, but I feel when you mix it on your palm, this product gets heated up so that it gets absorbed into the skin better. But that's just my personal opinion. I wouldn't really recommend you to store this product. You should like just make it every night or so. So then I'm just gonna take it on my fingertips, and it smells divine now, and I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. You don't wanna like rub it into your skin, you just wanna pat it into your skin. And once you wake up in the morning, your skin is gonna feel lovely. Trust me on that. Like, it's gonna feel lovely. With whatever's remaining, just warm up your hands a bit and then just press them down on your face. You can also apply it on your lips, but just don't eat it because I'm not too sure of the aloe vera gel. And yes, that is all that you need to do for this nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you in some or the other way. If you do try out this regime, then do not forget to tell me if it worked for you or not, or if you love any of the products that I showed you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow in another DIY video. And till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.